Hello, everybody. Mini VMAC here, and today we're. Oh wait, I forgot to
Call
mention
this
Loco
fucking
Desert's here.
number.
Okay, we're
Call
watching Blood
us.
Raining.
Hashtag censored.
Please, you know.
Call this fucking number. We did nothing wrong now.
She walked down an empty white hallway, holding nothing but a long tubular gun that she could shoot into a wall.
It sounds like
What
an
a
erotic
nice
novel.
one. What a nice
Oh,
one.
what a nice. Oh, my favorite.
Your father wants to murder you, you little bitch. Tear
You
your
little
intestines out and toss your salad. I'm a hasty fuck, and I want to. Your dad will kill you. Ha ha ha. Wait, I didn't know the Joker wrote this. Oh no. It's the word father.
No.
Oh no.
My only friend left me.
John.
Yeah.
What if you just like you said before, what if she just faints if you just say the word father?
Yeah, so I have. No, I think she had like a little PTSD. It's like. So have you seen So have you seen The Godfather? Father? No, I'm talking about the movie. Okay.
Also, where's your father?
Shut the fuck up. It's like, whoa, jeez.
Hey, look, it's a bottle of Feel Good.
I'm sorry, Mama.
No, you're
Oh
not.
no.
You.
No, God.
I'm so sorry.
Look at this bitch on the floor having a seizure.
If I never knew you, Pocahontas. Love will find a way.
Shut up
Lion
and
King.
sleep with me.
No.
Shut up and sleep with
My
me.
sanctuary. My sanctuary.
My sanctuary! My sanctuary!
Is it funny there's a Vocaloid song here?
Where? A little.
iPod 2.1. Where's the buttons? At least it has a headphone jack.
Yeah, I like the iPhone 7. Oh wait, I have Bluetooth headphones. I don't give a shit.
I don't. I have wired.
My
Oh!
I
You need to get your face.
I don't give a shit. I don't. I have wired.
What happened to you? Your eye's in the wrong place. That eye is not in the right place.
pills.
Yeah.
Oh no, I feel the edgy. Less depressed. Less depressed.
I have crippling depression.
Shut up, Mickey. You got raped by Riku.
Riku! Come on, bitch! Slap my ass! you slope! I don't give a shit!
Going dry.
You're shocking me.
Uh,
I think it's a little too much. Don't be a pussy!
come on, you can reach it.
You little bitch!
Dead.
Oh my Foxy, my whore!
Oh, boy.
God, can you imagine how
Okay.
pissed your girlfriend would be?
Yeah, I bet.
And you're
I've
like,
never
I
called
can't
that,
imagine
though.
that. She'd fucking snap my neck without even going to my house.
Yeah,
My
she has. What, are you telling me she has telepathical abilities? If she just.
You should make her, no, you should make her join us and watching this.
No, she doesn't want to ruin her childhood.
What childhood?
The one that has Inuyasha in it. She has the whole box set.
Dude, make her watch it.
I can. She already knows what it is.
Wait, did you watch our videos of it?
A little.
Which one, yours or mine?
Mine. For 1 second, and then she decided not. She watched it for 1 second and didn't want to watch anymore.
Pussy!
No.
Introducing
I
liquefied
wouldn't.
pussy!
No. The thing is, she has taste. We don't. We're just watching
This is,
cringe.
this is obviously the best anime of all time.
Yes, because I love Blood Radiant.
No, Neko Sugar Girls is a continuation anime.
No. Poochie and Pansy's the best.
Speaking of Poochie and Pansy, is that still going on?
Probably not, though, because we stopped. Anyways, time to continue the video. Oh, hi. Look at her. She doesn't even.
That time is
Oh!
That time is over.
Oh!
Yeah, I love being a Jew. Hail Hitler.
I love you, Mama. Yum, yum, yum.
That ain't washing. That's just drying.
Scrub, scrub.
Oh! Oh!
Did you just assume my gender? Oh,
No, her arm is bent the wrong way.
Mom, you dislocated my arm. Ah!
I always thought it was weird that you have cat ears. I have no idea how you could have gotten them. Well, it's time for the new
Do it.
Warning, may
Kill the
may
Jews.
invoke allergens if you do not know your child is allergic to.
Attention, this may fucking make your child kill you. Will it? I don't know. Call this fucking
But I
number.
don't want to. Come on now.
Christ compels you!
Motherfucker!
Oh, it's alright, honey. It's just a little burning sensation.
Yeah, it's totally not.
Little burning sensation.
Are you having an allergic reaction? What are you doing? You're a beast!
How would that kill you? You would be struggling for maybe a little, and then you would. Necrophilia?
Harder, Yarbo. She's like pounding. keep going, man.
I'm home from the
Keep going,
bar.
man. Keep going. Oh, yeah.
What have
Wait
you
a
done?
minute.
I don't
I
know.
didn't expect
I knew there was some.
Ophelia! You whore!
Hold on, let me get to the
Oh,
bar.
Bitch!
Phew!
I knew there was something wrong with you the minute you were
What's wrong,
born.
Mama? Don't look at me like that,
I didn't tell
Mama.
you about your mom. Mom, stop looking at me like that! I woke up like this!
I know
Flawless.
I know you think eating your mom is a kink, but that's not what I meant when I said I'm gonna eat your mom.
I'm gonna eat your ass. That's what I'm gonna mean. You know, when you said you were gonna eat her pussy, I didn't mean you fucking ate the flesh of her pussy. Oh. Let's taste.
Stop looking at me like that, Mom.
I'm sorry.
Tastes like
There's too many
iron.
kids at the orphanage already. You will have to keep your daughter.
She's a cold-blooded murderer, and I can't just leave her on the streets. People will think I'm a dick.
Wow. You slapped your
No, fuck it.
child.
I don't. She killed her mom, dumbass. What was I supposed to do? Get ground her or something?
Yes.
She killed her own mom, Michael.
You know what? You were perfectly fine at the bar, but ever since this incident you call, you've been acting like a dick.
I'm not. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not like she has a job or anything. She stays at the home, always using my credit card to buy some fucking. Ooh, honey, I want these kind of shoes. This is a dark scenario we came up with. We're like, oh, honey, I want these kind of shoes. It's like, no, honey, we gotta save up for our child's college because that's what you wanted. No, she fucking sneaks my credit card and goes on with it. And then fucking my child over here literally killed her while naked. You're
Shouldn't you
being a dick.
thank her?
What?
Shouldn't you thank her?
How am
You'll
I
have
gonna
more
get
money.
any BJ's, man?
Just don't bring your child. Leave him at home. No, leave him in a hot car.
Dude, she can survive longer than that. Wait, what if I made her grow up? Don't tell anyone she's my child. It's my sex slave.
That's called incest.
Shut the fuck
I
up!
don't care.
It's called Wincest.
Okay, I don't care. Go ahead. You know what? Your choices are yours.
No.
You cannot bring her to
Okay,
the
thanks,
orphanage.
man. Yeah, thanks for keeping the child. It's like
I
yours
didn't
now, buddy.
mean to.
I didn't mean. No.
Why is it rated jizz?
What's wrong?
I said,
What's wrong with
why
your
was it
chin?
rated? Why is it rated jizz? Because the raindrops are white. Oh no, we should have redone that scenario and be like, it's like, Matt, it's like, you know what? I don't care. I'm tired of getting stained by jizz by fallen jizz. Okay.
Hey, look. What's wrong with your chin?
Jesus! Where'd you come from? Where's my daddy?
Jesus, when did you get there? Where's my daddy?
Have you practiced enough for the concert?
Fuck your concert. Where's my daddy?
Oh, that's right.
No. I don't remember a concert. John?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. See you there.
Wait. Wow. Uber skirt.
Yeah!
You're a bit too crazy there, lady.
Alright, everybody, we've seen 9 great stars already. Please welcome our 10 contestants.
What's wrong with your shoulder?
We definitely need to do podcasts, man.
Ugh.
To the stage, Rachel Catholic Nicole.
Where'd you put that microphone?
Up my
Just
ass.
you wait.
Oh no.
I shove a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
Wait, Rachel.
I hate Rachel. Well, I don't care.
Rachel!
Thank you, Principal Sama.
Rachel!
Hey, look! That squirrel looks familiar. Oh my god.
Film Theory. Is Neck and Neck Sugar Girls and Blood Rain and Night connected? Watch this episode to find out.
We should make our own parody of it after we finish Blood Raining Night.
What we do, like, if we do parody theory of Film Theory and be like, Film Theory. Is Blood Rain and
Video
Night
theory.
and Neck and Neck Sugar Girls connected?
Yeah, basically.
You know,
What
Miss
if
Fucking
we try to
Perfect.
abridge that?
Every time I
Abridge it?
see her, I want to strangle a cute little animal.
Strangle a cute little animal, then looks at the squirrel. Hey, I gave someone rabies.
I'm sorry, what was that? What was that? I didn't.
Go up there. You can do it, Ray-chan.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
I mean, they gave him rabies.
Rabies.
Ah, okay.
Hey.
Hello everybody. I didn't deliberately try to
wrong
sing
with that
today,
microphone?
but my friend signed
Do
me
you
up.
do it?
If there's a prize for rotten judgment,
I'm just gonna turn
I
that
guess
down a
I've
bit.
already won that.
No, turn that shit
No
up.
man is worth.
When
Oh
I
no, you
was
killed.
a young boy, my father.
Turned into heavy metal. What's wrong with her hair?
She's into metal. What the fuck? What? You judging her or something?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Ha 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 ha! I don't know.
Let's just take a good look at this. Yeah, I don't remember. Thanks to all my supporter heart. I'm so happy to have so many people who love what I do. Remember, haters, haven't any talent, Renuvus, rotten souls. Although that girl in the black hair resembles my haters. This is time for racism. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh yeah, we will continue.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs. Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
You bitch! What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with my fingers?
You see this? They're going way up your butthole.
She's our little baby!
Oh god, that is a perfect picture.
I have such an edgy backstory, but not really, because someone just ripped
My blue eyes!
And yes,
Oh,
that is
God,
something.
this happened to me. I made my mistake. There's nowhere to run. How could this happen to me? I made my mistake.
Okay. Edgy blood.
Come on, little girl. I can do it harder.
Oh no! Oh no!
I need to get my quarter.
So how do you be? We should get out of here.
I dropped my quarter under here, see?
That's not.
I dropped my quarter over here. You see? Don't pay attention to all the chaos that's going on here.
It's my fucking quarter.
I earned this with my
My dad's
low
like,
budget
damn it to
job.
me!
Unimportant right now. Let's go.
What? And then it just starts running to him.
Honey, wait, I'm actually there's a quarter!
Uh-oh. Edgy.
My lady business hasn't felt so beaten up before. Richard!
I'm gonna set up
Wow.
the ear right. Get ready.
Wow.
This is gonna be the best ear rape you ever heard in your life.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think?
We'll see where it ends up on the line.
No! Yuki!
Did you hear what I just did?
Yeah, you farted. Intensive ears.
Oh god, John farted! Oh god! God! Oh god! God, John's fart can make you age fast. Mother! Are you ready now, brother? Liquid! What the fuck?
Just hit him in the nose and they go away.
It's the Shack!
It's a pussy laser.
You see, this pussy laser will fucking obliterate you. Like, you have no idea.
You want to know where the laser hit her?
Right in the cooter!
It hit her right in the nose and she blew away.
Oh god, that smells! Oh god, it smells like fish!
Talk about needing a shower. John, talk about needing a shower.
Talk about needing to fucking wash that pussy. Oh man, at least us men, actually, wash our asses. We don't want to smell like. We don't want to. We don't want to smell like our smell to be a reminder that we're assholes. We don't want to smell like assholes. Kid. Now, come here. You ever been in an oven just like the Holocaust? No? Get in there!
Oh man.
Oh man, you're I can flight. I'm sorry, everyone. We're gonna have to cancel the flight because this bitch over here smells like expired fish drowned in sour milk. And like you know how people use that little syrup vein to make their food look fancy. Yeah, it's the kind of syrup vein you have when you shit it out of your ass. The sticky kind of flavor, because you all like that.
You know what sucks, John?
Why is this funny? And to top it all off, I put this cream, if you know what I mean. I put on some hentai, and I jizzed all over it. Talking about jizz. And really as the salt. And you know what I like to do to my poop? I like to directly piss on it. Because it makes it melt. You know, like, when you piss on your poop, it melts it. And when it melts, the air comes up. And it makes the whole place smell like shit. But hey, it smells better than your fish pussy. Anyway.
You know what's bad?
What?
Getting soap inside your dick.
Oh yes. Speaking of that time, hey everyone, here. You ever, you want to have a poor man's way of lubrication? Grab a shampoo, kind of like watermelon or strawberry flavor. Then you pour it on your dick, jerk off with it. Just really go at it. Make it enter inside your dick. And then, when you jizz and stuff, you cum a bunch, you're like, that was rough. You ever get the feeling you need to take a piss? And when you do, it feels like your dick suddenly turns into a flamethrower, where it feels like it's on fire, but it's not. I don't know why it stains a lot. Here, I can prove it to you guys right now. My blue eyes.
Let's continue the video.
Hey Rachel, get in.
Oh, hi, Evil.
Oh, hi, Evil. Really?
We're going to the restaurant right now.
Let's go to a restaurant right after.
You had sex with the guy who tried to kill me, so I can trust you.
Not right now. I've had a stressful day, but a burrito does sound good. Okay.
No, a burrito does not sound good.
Sure, why not?
Isn't this a nice place? I like not being the one waitressing for once.
It's very nice, Cora, but I'm hurting.
Oh, it's the baby. You're going to have the baby right now. Oh my god.
Let's have the baby right here at the taco place.
God! Oh my god! Somebody help! She's having a baby.
Shut up! Where's my burritos?
This is no time
for racism.
All I said was shut up. How is that racist? Also, he doesn't care. He just wants his burrito. John? It seems like we've lost Local Desert too.
This is a serious situation.
Damn Mexicans acting like they own the place.
Listen to his ignorant words of hate crime.
Alright, here we go.
Edgy. What an edgelord.
Oh, I see that.
You see what? Oh my god. I didn't know I had Jesus Christ inside me. John? Hey, Joe, I will be right back. Guess we'll just do it on our own.
Who are you?
I am Jason Bourne.
I am the god of the Shinto Kami-michi.
Not really. Oh yeah, and this is where it ends. Because it has a different end credits. All this art you'll never see because it actually something. Anyways, see you in the next video and goodbye.